palpable fear in Umuahia as Ñnamdi Kanu heads to court over health issues. There was tension in Umuahia on Tuesday as the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Pālpāble Ñnamdi Kanu's lawyer Aloy Ejimako, heads to court over Kanu's health. The entire access route to the court venue was blocked by truckloads of the military police and other security agencies, thus creating fear in road users in Umuahia. In an application, Ñnamdi Kanu versus Federal Government of Nigeria and 7 others, Ejimako had brought an expert order asking the court to, among other things, make an interim order of release of Kanu to attend to his health in any medical facility of his choice in Nigeria, pending the hearing of the motion. Ejimako had also asked for the substitution service on the motion on notice to 3rd and 4th respondents. However, the High Court, presided over by Justice K.C.J. Okereke, had refused the application and asked the lawyer to put the respondents on notice. He granted the application for substituted service on 3rd, 5th, and 7th respondents and adjourned till September 21 for hearing of the motion on notice. Responding to inquiries from the Punch in Umuahia, Ejimako said, "Today, I secured an order from the High Court of Abia State to serve by substituted means an application for enforcement of the fundamental rights of Ñnamdi Kanu, which is filed and pending before the High Court of Abia State. The substantive matter will be held on 21st September 2021 in Umuahia." If anything happens to Ñnamdi Kanu, the story will change entirely. Nigeria will plead to grant Biafrans freedom, but they will never be forgiven. That is when you will now see the other side of the Biafrans. I am telling you. You will not see the other side of the Biafrans. Because as it is now, the Biafrans are begging now, are the ones begging, telling the federal government to grant Ñnamdi Kanu that opportunity. The opportunity to get himself treated. They refused. Despite the fact that the court has given the notice and the order. Now, Ñnamdi Kanu's lawyer is taking it up again, this time because Ñnamdi Kanu's health is deteriorating again. October 21st is around the corner. Ñnamdi Kanu needs good health to be in court. He needs good health, he needs a checkup, he needs sound health to speak. That is why he has gone to seek for it. Now they are just twisting the lawyer, twisting Ñnamdi Kanu's lawyer. You can see. This is what they do. This is what they keep doing. But I bet you, the federal government will never succeed. With all these things they are doing, they will never succeed. Because I know what they are doing. I know what they are doing. I know their plans. They want to weaken Ñnamdi Kanu to the extent that he will not be able to speak on the day of the trial. That is what they are trying to do. Ejimako saw it. That is what Ejimako saw that made him to take this case to the court so that Ñnamdi Kanu will be granted the opportunity for a medical check-in. But see what he's getting in return. Whether they like it or not, they must grant Ñnamdi Kanu that permission. Ñnamdi Kanu needs sound health. Sound health. That is what he needs. And he must be given that sound health. He must. Federal governments have no other means to succeed aside from succeeding in executing Ñnamdi Kanu, but they have failed. Nobody will have access to Ñnamdi Kanu. This is what men of God have been lamenting. that the security of Ñnamdi Kanu is very, very paramount now. It's very paramount, very, very important. Ñnamdi Kanu needs time-to-time checking, day-to-day checking, hour-to-hour checking, minute-to-minute checking. That is what he needs, because these people have a hidden agenda, hidden plans to get him executed. But they have failed. They have failed because Ñnamdi Kanu's lawyers are out for good. And that is why I keep appreciating Ñnamdi Kanu counsels. In fact, these guys are trying. They are working. And that is why the IPOB needs to give them the support. Give them the support. Stand by them. Because they need support, not distraction. Do you understand? Not distraction this time. It is your support they want. You need to stand by them now. Because without your support, they cannot move forward. Yes, they can move forward. This is what they are trying to make you understand. But you are making this difficult. You understand? Okay, look at the attitude they are putting up before Ejimako. To show that the federal government and even the court itself are biased. But I'm happy that the international court is also aware and very much interested in Ñnamdi Kanu's case. That is where Nigerian government are going to expose themselves. They are not afraid now because they now know that the international court and organization and international lawyers are now interested in Ñnamdi Kanu's case and will be ready to sue Nigeria as a whole if anything there happened to that very case. They are afraid, of course. So what are we saying? What are we saying, my dear viewers? These are the things that we as individuals have been lamenting of. This is what we have been lamenting of. This is what we have been crying of. This is what we have been saying, that the federal government have not been doing it right. Do you understand? They have not been doing it right. They have been deceiving us. They have been lying to us. They have been making us to believe that they are by our side, whereas they are not by our side. They are not by our side. It doesn't pay. See, you need to wake up now. It's a wake-up call. It is a wake-up call. Okay? All right. Based on this very issue, let me hear from you and know what you have to say. Don't forget to leave your comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.